In this video, we're talking about 5 ways you can spot somebody who's faking wealth. We are living in a world where so many broke people are working overtime trying to look wealthy, and most people can't tell the difference. And if you don't learn to spot these 5 things, you're gonna waste years comparing yourself to frauds and phonies. Make sure to subscribe if you like psychology and money. Now let's get into it. Sign number 1, they're flexing designer logos. The bigger the logo, the broker they are. If somebody's draped in designer logos, they're probably broke. Now, I know what you're gonna say. What about this celebrity, that celebrity? They're getting paid to advertise those logos. You're not. You're the one paying, and you're paying a big price. These people faking rich have designer logos all over their clothes and their shoes and their accessories. This is not a sign of wealth. It's a sign of insecurity. In fact, research shows that people who are less financially secure, they're the ones who spend more money on visible status symbols trying to signal success. Meanwhile, most self-made millionaires, they're getting their jeans at Target and they're driving used Toyotas. Real wealth whispers. It's the fake wealth that's screaming. Sign number 2, they're financing their lives. Wake up. If they need debt to look rich, they're not rich. Luxury cars on leases, designer bags bought on credit, or shoes with a get it now, pay later plan, or vacations financed with loans. This is a broke person's strategy to wealth. They borrow money to look important and to feel important, and then they post all their pictures on Instagram, making you feel miserable, like you're missing out. Well, guess what? You're also missing out on massive levels of debt and stress. And you're also going to miss out on working until you die. You might be able to retire if you're saving and investing and not wasting your money in this way. True wealth does not need financing. It's built on assets that pay you, not liabilities that bleed you. Debt for flexing is the biggest and clearest sign of financial immaturity. Sign number 3. Underneath the surface, they're living chaotic lives. If their lifestyle looks expensive, but their life looks unstable, they're faking it. They've got the watch, they've got the cars, they've got the outfits, but they're stressed. They're fighting with their partner and they're dodging collection calls. One of the biggest things that couples fight about, and the number one reason for divorce in the first few years of marriage, it's money. If the lifestyle doesn't give you peace of mind, you're going about it all wrong. Real wealth creates freedom and a sense of safety and security. Fake wealth creates anxiety and chaos. Sign number 4, they brag about money. If they're bragging about money, chances are they don't have it. The louder that somebody is talking about how much money they've made or the latest thing that they've bought, the less they usually have. Wealthy people know silence is power, and studies show that people who are wealthy have a tendency to downplay how much money they have. Meanwhile, people who have less money and lower net worth, especially if they grew up in a poor family system, they're the ones who are out there flexing what they have. Think about it. They want you to see them as having value. Wealthy people, they're not worried about it. They know deep down that they have wealth. They have no reason to flex it, so they downplay it. It's always the insecure ones who spend all their time and energy reminding you about how successful they are. So the next time you're around people doing this, don't feel bad about yourself. Understand the game they're playing. You shouldn't feel bad about yourself. You should probably feel sorry for them, to be honest. The need to brag is the ultimate giveaway. It's psychology 101. It's overcompensation. And number 5 could be the worst. It's a sign of a sinking ship. Number 5, they flex depreciating assets. If somebody's flexing things that lose value, you're looking at a broke mindset. Shoes, cars, watches, fashion. These are all depreciating assets. Poor people think rich equals expensive stuff. Rich people, they know that wealth equals assets that compound and grow and pay them money. If the real flex isn't their businesses, their real estate, or their investments, it's fake rich. Period. Here's the truth. Every single one of these 5 fake rich moves, they come from a deep sense of insecurity and a fear of being judged. And if you waste your time and money copying them, you're going to end up broke too. Instead, study real wealth behaviors. Study the psychology and habits of actual self-made millionaires. They're focused on saving and investing and building and living low-key. Remember to check the description below where I have some resources for you. I'm Dr. Brad Klontz. I'll see you next time.